Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today's topic is how to find your IP address in Windows. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's dive in. First, go ahead and click on the Start menu. In the search bar, type CMD. Then press Enter. Now, in the command prompt window, type the command ipconfig and hit Enter. This will display your network configuration settings. Next, look for the section labeled Ethernet adapter or wireless LAN adapter, depending on whether you are connected via Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Under this section, find the line that says IPv4 address. The number next to it, which usually looks something like 192.168.1.1, is your local IP address. If you also want to find your public IP address, you can easily do that by opening a web browser and visiting a site like whatismyip.com. Alternatively, just type whatismyip in your search engine and it will show you your public IP address right away. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.